Why do foundation bolts matter so much across various industries? From construction and automotive to heavy engineering and power generation, foundation bolts are the unsung heroes of stability and durability. Today we delve into the world of LG Industries, the leading manufacturer and supplier of industrial-grade foundation bolts since 2013. Listen to the words of satisfied clients. John from a top construction company attests, "The foundation bolts from LG Industries are unparalleled in quality. Their durability and rust-proof finish meet international standards, making them my go-to choice for all our projects." And it's not just John. Sarah, a veteran in the petrochemical industry, shares, "The high performance of LG Industries foundation bolts is remarkable. They are dependable and meet all our specific requirements, even in the most challenging environments." But what sets LG Industries foundation bolts apart? It's the culmination of streamlined production equipment, an extremely motivated team, and top-tier facilities. The result? Foundation bolts that are not only ASTM grade, but also customized to meet the unique needs of various industries. And there's more. LG Industries is not just about meeting industry standards, they exceed them. Each bolt passes through rigorous third-party inspections, TPI, to ensure unmatched quality. On demand, they even provide NEBL-approved lab certificates, validating their commitment to excellence. So whether it's for the construction, electrical, petrochemical, automotive, heavy engineering, oil and gas, or power generation industries, LG Industries foundation bolts are the golden standard. Their high performance, durability, and rust-proof finishing make them capable of matching and even surpassing international standards. In a world where stability and durability are paramount, LG Industries foundation bolts offer an assurance like no other. A foundation built on LG Industries foundation bolts is a foundation built to last. Remember, when it comes to foundation bolts, LG Industries doesn't just deliver products, they deliver peace of mind.